So I got a question about you. You talked about just the market a little bit earlier. And so like right now, what are your thoughts on the market? Like, because like you said, there's a lot of people that are afraid. There's a lot of people that are like just tripping out. I hear it all the time at work. Like I'm constantly hearing people talking about they check their 401k, it's looking crazy, and they're like, I'm just going to take my money out because I might as well just take it out and spend it because and they have all these different views, and of course the fear is being just really what's the word I'm looking for, it's really getting, the
It's
fear is
front and
being
center.
pushed heavy.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
so what are your thoughts on the market right now? What should people be doing? Should people be investing? Should people be removing their money out? Should people just be holding it? What should be people be doing right now with the market?
Sure. And you hit the nail on the head with the scare, the negativity. It's always front and center. And it's, we're in this world of media that is, it's clickbait.
Yeah.
Everything is driven by clicks. And if there's a headline that says, we think the stock market is going to have historically average returns over the next 3 years, no one's clicking on that.
Yeah.
But if it says, we think the bottom's going to fall out within the next 6 months, here's the reasons why, everyone's clicking on that. And so yeah, the negativity is always front and center. But to your question on the markets, in times like this, what people have to realize is this is completely normal.
Yeah.
We got away from the norm for about a decade,
Yeah.
where things were just up and to the right, for 10 to 12 years, basically since 08, 09, really. And investors, the everyday investor kind of forgets that if you look at the history of the stock market, we have a 20% pullback every 3 to 5 years. That's completely normal. That's healthy. But when we went on this long run, you forgot it was even possible.
Yeah.
And so, like I kind of said before, the decisions that we make when the market is down like this, far more important than the decisions we make when it's moving, gangbusters all the time. Because if you're the person that says, I can't stomach this anymore, I've got to sell and get out, you're never getting that, money's never coming back.
Yeah.
Because here's the thing, you have to time it twice. You have to time it right twice.
Mm.
If you say, I'm getting out right now, and you pull your money to the sidelines with the intent of getting back in, now you have to be right the second time. Because if your next entry point is higher than where you got out, all of a sudden, there you go. You lost to that, that difference there.
Yeah.
So it's more of just understanding this is normal. We will get to the other side of it. Will it be in 1 month, 6 months, a year? Nobody knows. Nobody knows the answer to that. But what we do know is that you can look at 100 years of history and on what the market does, and it goes from here to here with a lot of this along the way.
Yeah.